Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Everest from Paw Patrol, so let's get started. To draw this cute husky, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this way, and draw another circle. So now with my two circles, and let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, let's go ahead and spruce them up on the sides right here with some lashes. So I'm just going to curl and curve out 3 lashes and thicken them up. And another one. So maybe like the center one's a little bit longer. And same thing here. So one a little bit longer and then a smaller one. There. So now that we have her eyes in, let's go ahead and draw her nose. So in between her eyes, say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right in the center. And I'm going to round off the sides and connect it at the bottom towards the center. A wide V. Then let's go ahead and just color in this nose. So I'm going to put in a little highlight right here and shade this all in black so you can see a little bit better. There. So now that we have our big husky nose in, let's come back to the center and we're going to draw a straight line down to say about right there. And let's make Everest here very happy. So I'm going to come up about right here, right underneath the eye, and I'm just going to draw a big curve connecting that line. I'm going all the way back up to the other side and cap it off. There. And then let's come back over here very lightly with my Sharpie. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right over the nose, touching the eye, just to give the nose area a little bit more definition. And then of course we need to draw 3 little dots right here for where her whiskers would go. There. I'm just going to make this part a little bit thicker for her mouth. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead. We need to start to frame her face. So actually before I do that, I'm just going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw a curve right about here for brow area, and same thing on the other side. So it's just kind of, I know how high to bring her hat. There. So then from there, let's see here. Let's come down a little bit. Let's say like the first lash. I'm going to come out nice and wide. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. So same thing over here. Just approximate, but right here. Give myself these 2 points. And from those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw a bunch of curves. This is her hat. It's going to basically touch her brow. And I'm going to aim towards the center, right about here. And so then I'm going to go ahead and draw the same thing coming down on the other side. Come back to my point. So it's just a bunch of little curves. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to wobble a little bit right here. Wobble a little bit, just like the other side. And then once again, we're just going to go up. Draw a bunch of curves. So we just want to make this part of our hat nice and fluffy and warm. We're going to go all the way across and connect to the other side. Now I'm looking at it, it looks a little short on this side, so I'm just going to extend this out a little bit more. Okay, a little bit better. There. Then from there, let's come back to this point right here, and we're going to start to draw the sides of her face. So we're going to come out and kind of make it this pointy shape right here. One more. And actually another one right about here. So the husky fur on the side of her face. So same thing on this side. One, another one pointier, and one more, about right there. And then I'm going to give myself a point, let's say about right here. Just kind of imagine how far I want to bring her chin. And I'm going to go ahead and connect all of this with a curve to my point. And go right back to finish off her face. There, so I've created this big shape. Then from there, I'm going to come back in here, and there's two colors on her face right here. I'm just going to lightly just zigzag. So when you're coloring, you know to put some color on this side. So same thing here. If you don't want this harsh line, of course, just do this when you're coloring. Not draw it in with the marker. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead, come back to the top. So about right here where her head is, we're going to go up and draw a curve. So just make sure this curve is about right there, and we're going to go up and draw a curve for the top of her hat and down. There. And then now we need to draw the ears. So right about here, we're going to go ahead and pop in curve and say about that high, round off the tip and bring it down. And then let's draw the inside. So about right here, I'm just going to draw two little curves, go up and down. So it's a little bit thicker on this side. So same thing on the other side, about right here, and we're going to end it about there on the same. So let's go up, and I'm just going to drag this point across. So about right here approximately, same height on the other side, and round it off and bring it all the way back down. Then once again, same thing, about right here, just going to draw two little tufts of fur, go up and bring it down. There, so we're finally done with her head. Then from there, let's go ahead and let's see here, let's draw her body. So let's come back to the center, and let's say this is about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw her collar. So I'm just going to draw curves right here, and then one center curve, and then go back up just like the other side. So then we're going to come about right here, wobble, wobble. So it's just kind of like drawing this part of the hat, and then right here we're just going to go down, and then we're going to connect everything, and same thing here, curve, and then just connect everything. I'm trying to simplify everything here. And so right into this shape right here is where we're going to draw. We're going to come straight down the center about right here and draw this emblem and connect it. Then let's come inside. I'm just going to draw lightly, give it a little border, and then inside we need to draw a tree. So I'm just going to zigzag, nice and simple. And then right in the center, there's a zipper that we need to draw. So about right here, just going to add that in. Then now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back to the sides and say about right here. We're going to bring down a curve. So we're going to start to draw her body. And then let's see here. Let's bring this down. So I'm going to angle this and this. So back and forth towards the center. Go right there. And then I'm going to pop this part out Oops. And connect. Same thing here. Pop it out and connect. Then from there, this is where we're going to start her legs, front legs. So let's come down at an angle on both sides. So she's a husky, so she's going to have nice long legs. So let's say about, just kind of take a look, round this off about right here. And say about right there. We'll stop. And I'm going to come about right here, curve out her big husky paw, and then curve and connect about right there. And then we're just going to draw two curves right here. So same thing on the other side. We're just going to follow exactly. So just imagine this is coming through. And we're going to bring it back to about right there, same as the other side. And curve down, angle a little bit, and connect. There, and then two curves. So we got the front legs in, and then in between, whatever space you have left, just draw a soft curve. Then for the back legs, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop this out, bring it in, and then right about here, we're just going to pop out the back paw and down. And just put in a little curve right there. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Pop this out. And once again, just like the other side, curve out and then bring it in. And a curve. There. And then for some details inside, about right here, let's cut it off for the vest that she's wearing, and then about right here as well. And then add like a buckle right in the center. And then we can bring this zipper down all the way down. There. Okay, and then finally let's draw her tail. So I'm going to stick it about, just put it about right here. I'm just going to go out and about right here, just going to curve and bring it back in. And then for some details for different, like just like this part, we're just going to come right about here and just draw some curves. So when you're coloring her tail, give it some color. And then here as well, we're going to break it up, zigzag some fur, and here as well, and one more there. And I believe that is pretty much it. So I'm going to add a heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute Everest from Paw Patrol. I really hope you love how she turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.